Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you need to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification button so that you will know when I'm posting new videos. It is another makeup Monday and I'm bringing to you guys this very simple pink eyeshadow makeup look. Pink is definitely in season right now and it is also my favorite color, so I had a very fun time creating this look for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into this makeup look.
The palette I'm going to be working with is a palette called Essence Baby Bloom palette, and it has these pinks, it has a blue in it. And I'm going to start with the lightest shade. It was like a peach shade. Unfortunately, they don't have any names on them, so I just have to just describe them by colors. But I'm just placing that all over my lid using a very small brush. As you can see on my left eye, when I applied my primer, I did not do a very good job at rubbing it in, so it's already creasing, but I am going to try to get that fixed when I applied the eyeshadow to my left eye. So here I'm just applying it to my left eye, making sure to cover my entire lid with that light peach color. And now I'm going in with this dark pink color and I'm going to apply that to my crease. I'm taking a crease brush and I'm applying that here. I'm doing my very best to try to get in to the crease as much as possible without getting that color on the lid, because I don't want to cover the light peach color that I applied to my lid. So I'm doing my best to try to get it directly into my crease. And now I'm going in with the darkest pink color and I'm going to add that to my outer corner, and I'm making sure to kind of go a little bit up with this color into my crease area, just a little bit above my crease area as well. And I am again just using the creasing brush to use that. I do not have a lot of brushes. I will be getting and purchasing some different brushes for different makeup looks, but I can't find all my brushes for some reason. Being out of town just really puts a damper sometimes on doing makeup and stuff. So some of my brushes, I just could not locate them. But anyways, and now I'm just taking the blending brush and I'm just blending away the harsh lines, again making sure not to take away any of the color. I don't want to blend it so much that it blends everything together and you're not able to see the three separate colors. And I'm really wanting to make sure that it's not harsh where I added that peach, because I didn't do a very good job with I just kind of placed it on my lid, so I'm making sure that that is definitely blended together. And the last, I'm just going to add this shimmery pink color to the corner of my eyes. I most of the time skip this step, but the look just seemed like it needed some sparkle to it. If you've looked at any of my other makeup tutorials, you will notice that I love glitter and sparkles and all that stuff. So I did add some to the corner of my eyes just to give it a little something extra. Going in with my mascara. This is mascara that I use all the time, the Voluminous mascara. And then after I add my mascara, I am then going to pull out that Juvia's Place palette that I am absolutely loving, and I'm going to add that light pink shade to my cheeks. And this time I'm not I'm making sure that I get it on there enough to see the pink color, because I really do want to tie in my eyes, and when I do my lips later I want all of this pink to kind of shine through, because this is an overall pink look. After that, I'm just taking my highlighter and just doing some highlighter on top. It's the same highlighter that I've been using, so nothing special there. And for the lipstick, I'm taking the Milani, and this is the 9 pink. and it has a little shimmer to it. I love Milani lipsticks because they go smoothly on my lips and they smell good. I don't know if you all have smelled Milani lipsticks, but they all have this sort of like, I don't know, nice strawberry smell or whatever. I just love the smell of them. So I have a lot of Milani lipsticks. And then I'm just going to top it off with this Milani lip gloss. I don't know what color this is, but anyways, I'm not for sure why I even added this actually. For some reason, I find myself like when I put lipstick on, I want to add a gloss to it. I don't know. It's just something I do. But anyway, this is the finished look. Very simple, very quick. I have on a pink shirt to go with this. And I absolutely love the way this turned out. If you guys, again, want to see any other colors for makeup look, just leave it in the description box and I will definitely make a video for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.